Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out a compact SUV that looks like it has been to Italy, came back with confidence and a fresh haircut. This is the 2026 Alfa Romeo Tonale.
Tonale sounds like a fancy pasta, but instead of carbs, you get horsepower, which is good because carbs make me slow.
Design check. Alfa sharpened the face a little. That iconic grille now has horizontal slats. They say it's subtle. I say it's Italian for look at me but pretend you're not looking.
Even the bumper has new openings, like the Tonale is taking deep breaths before overtaking those boring crossovers.
And yes, the stance got wider with revised wheel offsets. Small change, big ego.
If this car was a guy, it'd be walking like, yeah, gym twice a week, bro.
Inside, 10.3-inch touchscreen, wireless charging, nicer materials everywhere. The vibe is sporty premium, not fake luxury that gives up after 2 months.
And these massive aluminum paddle shifters, they're so big they should pay rent, but they feel great.
Under the hood, you get one engine for the US, a 2.0-liter turbo making 268 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. All-wheel drive, 0 to 60 around 6.5 seconds, good enough to make you smile and scare your chai.
RIP plug-in hybrid version. You were quick, but nobody wanted to charge you. So Alfa said goodbye and unplugged you forever.
Steering feels alive. The suspension keeps it stable in corners. It wants you to have fun.
Transmission on twisty roads plays hide-and-seek with gears. So just use the paddles, because they're more fun than your last date.
3 trims: Sprint, Veloce, and Sport Speciale. In simple words, good, better, best with Italian drama.
Prices start around 40 grand, which is decent for stylish looks, alpha personality, and those paddles that make you feel like a race driver in rush hour.
Rear seats and cargo space are better than expected. Family car first. Look at me, I'm Italian car second.
Kids will love it. Groceries will love it. Mother-in-law will find something wrong with it, but that's her job.
Pros? Gorgeous design, sharp steering, fun paddles, good daily performance.
Cons? Plug-in hybrid is gone. Transmission can hesitate, and you will be tempted to overspeed because the steering keeps saying, do it.
If you want personality with practicality and don't want to be another BMW, Audi clone on the road, this is your match.
If you want the fastest, the biggest, or the my car must charge at Starbucks lifestyle, look elsewhere.
2026 Tonale, stylish daily driver that doesn't bore you to sleep. It keeps things simple without losing its fun soul.
Italians know passion, and this SUV proves it every time you hit a corner. Buon viaggio, baby.
Hit like if you love charming cars. Subscribe if you want more honest and spicy reviews.
Comment your pick, red like you mean it, or green because you're different like that.
Thanks for watching. Stay stylish, stay fast, and keep your pizza hot.